Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can change your background in the Zoom app. So for example, here I already have my camera on my Zoom app here. Obviously, this is not the real me. This is just a virtual camera I set up as a demonstration, right? So from this virtual camera, you want to go from the down section here. By the way, it doesn't have to be a virtual camera. It is just a demonstration, right? So you can choose to either blur your background. So you can see the background is now blurred, or you can adjust background and effects. So by here, you see now we can change the background here. So for example, I want it to be San Francisco. There you go. Now it's San Francisco. I want it to be grass. Now it's grass. I want it to be the earth, just like that, the earth. You want it to be a beach. There you go. It's a beach and it's moving as well. You can also make it be in the northern lights, just like that. You can do that. You can also make it an avatar, right? So agree. You see, now the person is now an avatar. I'm just gonna make it none. You can also do video filters if you'd like. So things like these, like Corky Love as well, Bright if you'd like that, Noir, Green, a new zoom window, analog television, number one, all of these stuff. Virtual background, video filters, and there's also studio effects if you'd like. You can add in a mustache or beard, eyebrows, handlebar, things like these, right? If you're into that. You can also change the lip color if you'd like, but I'm just gonna skip that. You can add in a bandit there if you like, some silly video filter stuff. But if you're looking for just changing the background, you just go to background and effects and you just change your background just like that. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.